A little head-to-head experiment between the Eureka Airspeed vacuum, which has so far been the most useful vacuum cleaner I have owned, and the new Shark rotator that we just got. It's supposed to be top of the line, top reviews for pet hair. It has the True Pet technology professional series, and we are going to vacuum first with the Eureka this pet hair infested carpet and see if the Shark picks up more out of this carpet than the Eureka does. Stay tuned. Okay, so we just vacuumed the living room carpet with the tried and true and nearly wore out Eureka Airspeed. Keep in mind this carpet was vacuumed just 2 or 3 days ago with 3 dogs and 2 cats and myself, and we'll go empty this and show you what came out. Okay, so that's what came out of the carpet 2 or 3 days ago, and this is what came out today with the Eureka. Not terrible. Trying to do this one-handed. There we go. Oh, now let's go see if the Shark picks up any more. There's one of the hairballs there. Well, I've had this Eureka and it's done the best for picking up pet hair for 7-8 years now. So much so that the on switches wore out. So now we're going to go over the carpet again with the Shark rotator True Pet Professional. Alright, there's another hairball. Alright, stay tuned. Okay, I accidentally hit stop instead of re-record, so we're starting over again, but this is out of the new Shark rotator after vacuuming with the Eureka upright Airspeed. And we're going to empty this and see what all came out. This is what came out of the approximately 10 by 12 carpet after vacuuming with the Eureka. See all this fine silt stuff. Not as much pet hair. Eureka did pretty good on the pet hair. But look at little tiny beads that the Eureka left behind. And it pulled all this silt stuff up out of the bottom of the carpet that the Eureka wasn't getting. Okay, so after the head-to-head between the old Eureka Airspeed, and I tell you, this little vacuum upright has been the best for getting deep down pet hair out of my carpets for 8+ years. I've used it so much that the on switch is wore out. And then we got the new Shark rotator, True Pet Professional, which got another inch of debris out of the carpet after going over it with the Eureka. So I would say that this little Shark was worth the money, and hopefully will last for years like the Eureka. And it definitely has picked up the pet hair and the deep down grit out of the carpets. So, and it looks fantastic. And I can't pick it up in the camera very well, but it does leave some pretty good cleaning marks in the nice and even in the carpet. So anyway, Shark rotator, I give a thumbs up. Hope this helps.
Do you see how clean this is? Okay, look at how clean that canister is. Okay, now I'm going to come right back and I'm going to show you exactly what it looks like when I'm done vacuuming. And this is 2.5 weeks after I've received this vacuum. I've been vacuuming every day. Watch. You ready to be blown away now? Now check this out. After vacuuming, look at this. Look at all this crap in there. Look. I have been vacuuming every single day for 2 weeks, and I'm still pulling up this kind of gross stuff. God dang. This Shark vacuum, it rocks. But I am disgusted at how filthy my house now feels, even though it's cleaner than it's ever been with this Shark. Ah!
Okay, so I just got done cleaning my living room carpet with my new vacuum, and I vacuumed it with my old vacuum first. So this is what was all stuck under the brushes of my new vacuum. And if you take a look here, look how full that is off of my carpet. That is just disgusting. I cannot believe that my old machine was that old. Oh my gosh, I gotta get this open. Oh my gosh, that is just beyond disgusting. Look at that. Needless to say, I'm glad I got a new vacuum.